Hello from Gardening at Douentza, and this video is coming to you from the Azores Islands. Now the Azores are an archipelago of 9 islands midway between Lisbon in Portugal and New York, so right slap bang in the Atlantic, and they have a wonderful balmy climate here. Today I'm bringing you along to visit a very special garden. It's called Mata José de Canto, and this garden has as its claim to fame a valley of tree ferns. So come along with me and let's explore that amazing valley of tree ferns together. And we have come out of the path to find this magnificent tree here in the middle of everything else. And here we have the coastal redwood, a fine specimen. Sequoia sempervirens. And this walk is a really long walk. I thought first I'd go out and see the big sequoia and the waterfall and do that quickly and then get back to the main bit of the garden. Well, for me the main bit, which is the tree fern valley, but this is taking absolutely ages. But yeah, it's lovely. It's a wonderful walk, and it's a very overcast day today with spots of rain, but the canopy of the trees and the gingers is such that I'm hardly getting wet at all. And we pause here to have a quick look at one of these gingers in flower. It's Hedychium gardnerianum from the Himalayas, and we've actually missed the flowering of the gingers because everywhere I go, you know, the woods are full of these hedychiums and we can see their leaves, but the flowers have all gone over like that. at this stage, so that's a shame. But the ones that are here, the flowers that are now, oh my god, the scent, it's absolutely unbelievably gorgeous. And on we go past a stream, and here are some steps, but I think, well, I hear water, so perhaps the waterfall isn't very far away at this stage. Well, I hope so anyway. Now, what have we got up here? Bump. Huh. No sign of the waterfall yet. And up a few more steps. Over here. And what do I see in the far distance? Can you see that? Looks like a waterfall to me. And here I am, right up close to the waterfall. And that's where it goes in. It's a bit tricky here, but look, this is the valley of the tree ferns, and my goodness, they're everywhere, even on this path. One thing that really struck me about the tree ferns here in the Azores is that I haven't seen a single Dicksonia antarctica, and that really is the most common tree fern in Ireland. Now I know in the south of Ireland there are gardens that have tree ferns practically, well, running wild, but they're all Dicksonia antarctica, or mostly Dicksonia antarctica. But here they are Cyathea, and I think it's Cyathea cooperi. The Dicksonia has a much thicker trunk and it's darker, whereas these ones, well, they're quite slender. So here I am in the middle of the valley of the tree ferns, and well, we do have a couple of other plants in here, but it really is a forest of tree ferns. And if we look up, you can see the umbrellas that these plants form up above. Oh well, I tell a lie, you know. It's not just cooperi here in this garden, at least. Cyathea medullaris, no less. Now, these things are absolutely huge, and I'm just going to give you an idea here by following this one up the trunk. And as you can see, the trunk tapers the taller it gets until eventually it ends with a glorious flourish of an umbrella of fern leaves. And this one here is Dicksonia squarosa. And that brings us to the end of this video of a visit to Mata José de Canto, the wonderful botanic gardens in Furness in the Azores Islands. Thanks very much for watching, and please check back again for some more Azores adventures and lots more planty and orchidy fun. Bye!